Welcome to the Great Diamond Challenge, the one who shatters the ancient diamond collars. There it stands, the unbreakable diamond of the ancient.
Hog Warrior wields the Titan's wrath, a hammer set to shatter worlds.
Unbroken! Unbelievable!
How is this possible?
The Bull of Fury readies his divine hammer. Will this be the end of the unbreakable diamond?
The Guerrilla Warrior calls upon the Dragon's fury, a strike that could tear mountains apart. The Leopard Warrior unleashes the Blade of Shadows. Such power! The Black Panther unleashes the Shadowbane Blade, a strike wrapped in fire and fury. And here he comes.
The massive ancient gates creak open, and the Cat Warrior steps forth.